Hi, my name is Dana. I'm bringing you today a craft that's making a bunny for Easter out of a sock. First, you'll need an old sock. Then you'll need some rice or something to stuff your bunny with. It can be cotton balls, beads, or whatever you have, even beans. Some kind of rope or twine to tie it with. If you don't have that, 1 or 2 rubber bands will do. You can use scissors, a ribbon, and if you have any embellishments like any cotton balls for tails, beads for eyes, and of course a marker if you don't have those. If you have a tape dispenser, you can use this to pour the rice into your sock. First, you take your sock. If you have the tape dispenser, open up your sock, stick it in the tape dispenser like this. You can fold over the edges so that it kind of makes it secure enough to pour in your beads, your rice, or whatever you're using. If you're using cotton balls, you may not need this. Okay. Now, the thing is, you're going to make a body for the bunny. Pour in your rice. And you want to make sure your bunny sits firmly on the ground, like this. Okay. Take out a little bit of the bunny's head is going to be at the top, and the wider part is going to be his bottom. Okay. Tie that off with twine. And sort of pinch it so it comes up like the top for the head. As you can see, I tied it right here. Now, you're going to tie it again up here with more twine. Just like so. You can cut those off later. Now, you'll see you have a body, you have a head, and now you have this extra sock at the top, okay? All you want to do is take your scissors and almost symmetrically cut down the center, your ears. Cut down however far you think is necessary for your ears. You might want to go down a little bit further than that. Now you can kind of straighten it up, make it look a little bit more like ears. So I'm going to gather these 2 ends together so that they're sort of even. Now I'm going to start to position my ear sort of at an angle, so now that it looks like an ear. Looks like that. There's my discarded. There's my one ear. Okay. Same thing on the other side. Make it symmetrical. Straighten it up. Take off my little loose ends. And on this one, it looks like the one ear might be a little bit bigger than the other, so I can straighten it out a little bit more if I need to. There's my ears for my bunny. Okay, you can flop them over, position them however you want. Now, I want to trim these little pieces of twine so that it's nice and neat. Now, it's time for my embellishments, okay? If you want, you could pinch off a little tail and put more twine right there. I'm going to actually glue a piece of like a cotton ball onto the edge. So I brought a glue stick. If you don't have a glue stick, just use a little bit of glue. I'm going to stick that on the bottom, like so. Okay. Now I need to put a ribbon around his neck. Cut that off. Tie it as neatly as you can. You can play with the ribbon till it looks the way you want it to look. Now, the last thing I really need to do is give him some eyes. You can get as fancy as you want. If you want, you can make it really simple with just little dots for the eyes and an X for the mouth. You could put eyelashes on it. You could put buttons, or if you have something like beads, you can glue those on too. I'm just going to put 2 dots. One here and one here, and then an X for the mouth. And there he is, nice and simple, ready for Easter.